Hello. So you've seen pictures of the album I made, but I made it using this type of a die. It is a die for a planner page. And I happen to have 3 different sets that I purchased. I got this set. Sorry, kind of not so great filming. And then I have this set. These are all Nicole Silhouette dies. I love her stuff. Anyway, she gives you layers and stuff. So see, I have that set. And then I have another set. And they all have the side holes in them. And so they're wonderful dies. It's just I don't use planners. So I thought, gosh, you know, I want to turn this into an album. And so that's what I did. And I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of the album. If you'd like me to make a video showing you how to make it, super simple. You can use any planner die that has kind of a flange. And it doesn't even have to have the holes in it. You know, it could just have some kind of a flange thing. But let me know. And the way you'll let me know is just hit the like button. And then I would be more than happy to make a tutorial showing you how to do that. I hope you enjoy watching. Thanks. As you can see, this is one of the albums that I made with my little planner dies. I don't really use my planner dies for planners. I don't know, I just don't. But anyway, what I did was I laced up through the holes that go through the binder rings and put some ribbon there. And then of course I made a spine. And then I just made my cover and my pages out of that main die. And as you can see, I have a little waterfall, and it's got 4 places to put pictures. Each page is a pocket page with a full faux Polaroid. And so you can put a picture or you can journal on the back, whatever you would want to do. The next page, I just have a tuck spot. You could put in some photos or memorabilia. Here's the tag for the page after that. This is kind of a fun page. It just flips out. And then I could put a couple pictures in there. And if I wanted to, I could have put designer paper here, but I just didn't feel like it for this one. Here's my little picture for that. And then my next page has the stacked envelopes, which I just love because, you know, you could put a little fortune from dinner, you know, from your fortune cookie, or you could put movie tickets in here. Anything you wanted, a secret love letter, and maybe you have a tiny little secret picture you could put in there. And that also has, of course, the tags. For the stickers that I used on this album, I just got them off of AliExpress, and you can just use any stickers you want for anything you want. This is another little flip out. It's a flip out envelope. And I just put a little plain tag in there, and you could put whatever you liked in there. And then of course I have my last page, and there is the little tag for the last page. I also made another album. So this album was kind of more young at heart and fun. This one is for a friend that's going to be retiring from work. I thought maybe she would like it. I used craft paper, made my spine out of that as well. And of course I just laced up the binder holes. This one I did do a ribbon tie closure on. And then I put the panel here up on pop dots. So for my first page, I just did the exact same thing, but I covered my little fold out. And I didn't use a magnet on this one, I did on the other one, but you really don't need it. Once again, every page has a tag. And this is my little stacked envelope. which I think is just so much fun. And I have these wonderful little faux wax seals that I put on it. And of course the butterfly to go with the theme. And a butterfly again. And then on the back you can journal or stick a picture. I have a larger envelope flip out, and I did put a tag in that. And then of course I have the tuck spot where you can do journaling, or you could put in a photograph, whatever you like. Here's that tag. And then on this page, I did another waterfall. This one I decorated so she can put pictures or, you know, write things, whatever she wants on the inside. And it's just held in place with a Velcro dot. There's that. And then the very last page, once again, I have another tuck spot, a little different this time. And then I just put this journaling card in there. So if you would like to know how to make these out of your planner dies, please give me a thumbs up, and then I'll make a tutorial for you showing you how to make the spine and attach everything together. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.